we will see what are the adjustment mechanism provided in the door closers. So one is for speed. One is for speed. By rotating anti-clockwise, closing speed will be increased. By rotating Allen screw number 1 in clockwise direction, closing speed will be reduced. The screw number 2 will be controlling latching action between 0 to 30 degree. Allen screw number 3, it is controlling back latch movement between 0 to 120 degree. This action will not be applicable for railway applications because our door movement is between 0 to 90 degree only. Coming to the end, closing force adjustment valve. This valve is adjusting the spring load for closing doors by rotating clockwise and anti-clockwise. We can increase or decrease the closing force. We'll check the speed of the door. It is closing very fastly. Now we'll see how to adjust this speed. By rotating Allen screw number 1, we can reduce the speed. After adjustment, we'll see the speed. The latching movement between 0 to 30 degree is very fast. Now we will see how to adjust this by adjusting Allen screw number 2. By rotating Allen screw number 2, the 0 to 30 degree speed will be reduced. Now we'll see the door movement. The final jerk we can reduce by reducing the closing force. Now we will see the total closing speed of the door. Thank you.